Hey everyone, so last time I folded this piggy and I got a lot of love from you all, but I felt that this piggy felt lonely. So well, why not bring another pig for this piggy? So I would like you all to welcome this smaller piggy, which is actually a much simpler modular piggy. What do I mean by modular is that this is made up of 3 different pieces. So I can take out these pieces and you can see that this is actually a piggy made up of 3 pieces, and this is a much simpler piggy. So without further ado, let's start folding this. So this, as I said, is a very simple piggy. So we'll take a sheet of paper and we'll fold it diagonally like this, and then we'll take these 2 corner edges and we'll put them together. Okay, so let me just show you all again. I fold it diagonally like this and put the corners here. Okay, we'll need 3 such pieces. Okay, so how do we fold the piggy from this? So this is the body, this is the head, and this is the tail. Okay, so let's start with the tail first. So for the tail, what we need to do is we need to put this tail inside a bit. I mean, it's pointing out tail doesn't look nice. So we fold it. You can see that this is the half line. We want to fold it a bit less than the half line. Okay. So instead of folding it exactly till this point, I'm gonna go a bit less than the half line. This is a judgment fold, so you can consider it by yourself. Okay. This is a pre-fold so that it helps us to open this and put this inside. Right now this piggy has got no tail, so we have to bring out a tail. So how big a tail we want? So for that we'll need to see how much we are folding this. So if I want my tail to be this big, okay, so I will fold it like this. Again, this is a judgment fold, and this here is a pre-crease. So I fold this in, and the judgment fold would actually help me to bring out the tail like this. Okay, so I can do it on my own. You can see I can pull out the tail as much as I need, and then well, no piggies have got just a straight tail, so we have to make them curly. So I just curl it up a bit, and here we have a curly pigtail. Okay, now for the body, we just take this other sheet. We open both of them up, and you can see that I can actually put this piece inside here like that, and there goes my body. Okay, finally for the head, so I'll just take, again I'll repeat the same procedure. I'll open this and I'll put this in like that. Does this look like a head? Doesn't look like a head to me. So how do we make the head out of this? So you can see that there's this point over here on this triangle. So this corner point, you start folding from there, and the pig has a snout. So again, this is based on a judgment, based on how big the body is, how big you want the snout to be. So I'll put it here, starting the fold from that very back, and there we go. Okay, so I'll do the same thing on the other side like that. Okay, and now to make it look more like a piggy, I'll just curl up these ears like that. Okay, so I'm making it so that this is coming out to be in line with this leg. Same here, and there you go, your cute little modular piggy. Happy folding.